You guys want to buy my mystery balloon for $1?
I don't have a penny on me.
Do you want to buy my balloon for $1?
No, thank you.
How come?
Because I don't have any cash on me.
I want to give you a flyer.
Flyer for what?
My name is David. I'm an artist. I'm from Toronto.
What do you do?
I make music. David Kamar. You can look me up right now on Spotify. I'm on everything.
You got a song you can play for me real quick?
Sure.
What made you want to start music?
I grew up in the hood, right? So when we were little, we used to go to like Dollarama, get the dollar store mic. I never knew it would manifest into this.
Before I listen to your song, do you have $1 by any chance?
Dollar.
Because I'm actually just trying to sell this mystery balloon.
I don't have a. I can e-transfer you. And you sure you don't need like a $5 or something? I can send you $5, fam. $1 is not gonna do much.
Thank you so much.
All right, bro.
I want to hear your music now.
All right, yeah.
Can I hear real quick?
Come fly with me, baby.
Since you helped me out today, man, I actually wanted to give you this balloon.
For sure, broski.
But it's a magical balloon.
What does it do?
Whatever your wish is that you want to manifest with your music career, and you let it go in the air.
Ooh, I need a Grammy. Let it go? Yeah, I need a Grammy still.
I actually had a surprise for you, man.
Cool, man.
$2,000, man.
Say honest to God.
Honest to God, man.
Crody.
For your music career.
Crow, you can't believe you just did that, Crow.
Yeah.
Nobody would do that for me. Nobody. I have so many brothers and sisters back in Africa
Yeah.
that I send money to.
So you're gonna send some of that back to
Of
them?
course, bro. You just bless me so I can bless.
And not just that,
Yo, that's crazy.
that's a hidden camera, and I got like 20 million followers, so everyone's gonna go stream your music.
Yo, fam, man, I'm out here. Don't play with me, fam. You're
You're
joking.
working out here trying to get your music out.
Just know I'm gonna pay it forward, bro. Believe that.